let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. When's the last time you heard this song on the radio? Probably been a while. Good song. Indiana Wants Me. So here we go. It's pretty easy. There's no tricks, nothing big in it. Just chords and the bouncing. And I was wanting to explain something about the notes up there in the green box. What you want to do is always concentrate on the blue notes on the upper keyboard, because when you bounce on that chord, like me, I might bounce on that chord. See how it changes up there so much? You can't go by that crazy thing unless I just play the chords, see? So you want to put lightness in your playing. So if you're just starting out, you can do it like that. It go. But see, when you start bouncing, I'm still playing the same chord. But when you start, bouncing on that chord, it shows all kinds of chords up there. So just go by the blue notes. A lot easier that way. Okay, this song, it does actually begin just. See? So it's just A flat, C sharp. You can play it like that with your more bass, or I might hit it there, sometimes I might hit it here, but same chord, C sharp. Okay, so it's a. See how I'm bouncing? And see how that changes up there so much? That's what gets a lot of people confused. So just stay with the blue notes. Does that twice. And then it comes in. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. I'll stop right there, because the bass definitely sounds better there. So you're so it goes. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. And then it goes real fast here. Then it goes, I wish I had you to talk to. So see there, we'll just work with it. So it goes up. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. I wish I had you. So it's C sharp. I wish I, A flat, had you, E flat, to talk to. That's your fast part right there. So it goes, I wish I had you to talk to. Then you're just bouncing on that chord. Because see, that puts a lot of liveliness in your song when you're it's like picking on the guitar. So when you're bouncing, when you're picking it out, it makes it so much better than just a chord. Okay, so it goes up. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me, Lord, I can't go back there. I wish I had you to talk to. Then it comes the F minor. If a man ever needed dying, he did. G minor. Back to that. No one has a right to say what he said about you. Okay, we'll work with that. See, it's pretty easy. It's nothing but chords. You can take this and put it on the guitar or whatever. So it goes up. If a man ever needed dying, he did. No one has a right sharp about you. Back to E flat. And it's so alone, cold, F sharp, lonely here without you. Then B flat minor. Out there the laws are coming. E flat, I'm scared and tired of running. Back to that. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. I wish I had you to talk to. If a man ever needed dying, he did. No one has the right to say what he said about you. And it's so cold and lonely here without you. Then the B flat minor. Out there the laws are coming. E flat. I'm scared and tired of running. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. I wish I had you to talk to. It hurts to see the man that I've become. To know I'll never see your face shining on the land. I'd never see your smiling face or touch your hand. How good it could be. You are home and my little baby. If you notice, I don't know the words because I didn't download the words. But you can get the words real easy. Yeah, so I'm just kind of throwing them in there. But there it is. It's a really easy song. Somebody might want to learn it. So remember, it starts. Now you might want to just. Then it comes in. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. Real fast part. I wish I had you to talk to. I'll do that again. C sharp. I'm just doing the C bass down here, but it's still C sharp. You know, it's still C, still that chord. I wish I had you to talk to. F sharp, F minor. If a man ever needed dying, he did. Yeah. Goes to the G minor. And no one has the right to say what he said. F sharp about you. E flat. Then back to F sharp. And it's so cold and lonely here. C sharp. Then B flat minor. Out there the laws are coming. E flat. I'm scared and tired of running. Indiana wants me. Lord, I can't go back there. See, and then you get there's another verse and everything. Long, it's longer than that. Then the sirens come in and everything. But there you go. So it goes. If a man ever needed dying, he did. G minor, back to F minor. No one has a right to say what he said about you. Back to F sharp. It's so cold and lonely here without you. Out there the laws are coming. I'm scared and tired of running. But there you go. Real easy song. Somebody might want it. At least I got the chords to it. So that's Indiana Wants Me. Now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time. Later.